The future of this expertise is only getting more and more important as structures get more complicated and problems that we face get harder to solve. So we really see that progressing and applying that to future projects. My name is Rupert Price. I'm based in the USA in Chicago, and I'm a structural engineer. My expertise is in structural engineering, specifically forensic investigations involving building defects. So when it comes to forensic engineering, we're investigating failures of buildings. Ultimately, that could be a collapse, but a lot of the work we do is in the maintenance period to basically ensure that the collapse doesn't happen. So we learn from those collapse events and hopefully apply that to other projects where we can then effectively maintain the built environment so that we don't have these catastrophic events occur. And that could be related to leaking, that's causing then corrosion of a building, or cracks that are appearing in structures that need to be addressed before they become a much bigger problem. The importance of forensic structural investigations are to ensure the longevity of the built environment and to inform our clients of potential safety issues with their structures, and that we really try and ensure that they act on those things in a timely fashion so that it doesn't become more costly or a catastrophic event occurs later in the building's life. This work is particularly important nowadays that our built environment is getting older and older, and we need to make sure that we maintain those buildings, but also need to make sure we learn from issues that we have with our buildings to then apply that to future projects. And that's something that is particularly important to me, is really learning lessons from our failures, from our mistakes, and applying that going forward and not sweeping it under the rug, keeping the profession moving forward.